Hello everyone and welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we're going to do an Easter craft. Nice! Right, are you ready to see what is the craft? I will show you. Our lovely craft today is going to be making an Easter bunny. Wow, look at that one. It's so cute. Right, are you ready to know how to do this lovely Easter bunny? Let's see. Right, first of all, we're going to learn about some Easter vocabulary. What is that? I'll show you. Right, we're going to start with the first one. We have an Easter basket. Wow, look at that. That is where you put all your Easter eggs. We're going to see it now, yeah? So that's an Easter basket. Easter basket. You need to repeat after me. Then what we have, that's a chick with another Easter basket. That's a chick. 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 What else have we got? That's what we're gonna do today. An Easter bunny. Easter bunny. That's the bunny. That's the Easter egg that is inside our basket. That's the Easter egg. That's the Easter egg hunt. So we go and we hunt the eggs. Where are the eggs? We need to find the eggs. That's an Easter egg hunt. Then those are jelly beans. Yummy, yummy and sweet. And what about that? That's an Easter chocolate bunny. Chocolate, yummy. And last one, that's spring, yes? When it's Easter, it's spring. All the flowers flourish and the butterflies. So nice. Okay then, now that we know some vocabulary, we're gonna go and make the craft. Yes! So, for making this craft, we're gonna need all of these things. First thing we're gonna need are some scissors. Then you need to have some ribbon. Then you need to have a marker. Then a sock, a glass, rubber bands, and rice. This is all we need for making our lovely Easter bunny. Right, first of all, we're going to take our sock and we're going to put it in the glass. So we put it like that. So in this way, it's easy to put the rice inside. Then we take the ice. We don't put all of it because we need two parts, the body and the head. So first we're going to put a little bit. We pour some inside and we decide more or less how much we want to put in. If we want to put some more, we do like that, and the rice goes at the bottom and we can continue to pour some more. Right, now we have some in here, but to my liking I want to put some more rice, so I'm going to put some more. More or less like that. Right, now I have the body of my bunny. Now, with the rubber band, I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna tie it here. Just like that. Just as it's all nice and tied. Right. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some more eyes to make the head. I want to have some more. This is up to you. As much as you want to put in, you can put. Yeah, just about that. Then we take another rubber band and we put it again. Excellent. Once it's proper knot, you see? Now we need to make our lovely ears. First of all, I'm going to cut a little bit. I don't want such long ears, so I'm gonna cut a little bit. And then I'm gonna cut in half to make 2 ears. Right. Let me just cut just about this one in here. Okay, now I'm gonna cut in half. Just a bit more. Okay, now I'm going to make the shape of the ears. That's one. And here I'm going to do the other one. Okay, I'm gonna cut a bit more around here, just to have a bit more separation. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the ribbon. You can put whichever ribbon you want. It can be thicker or it can be thin like that one, and any color you want. Then I'm going to put it around my lovely bunny. Then I will do a nice knot with a nice lace. Just like that. Lovely. I'm gonna put it on the side. Now, the last thing I need to do is to make my bunny's face. With that, I'm going to use a marker. So then, I will turn it around 1 second. I'm going to make the lovely face of my little bunny. I'm going to put 2 eyes, a lovely smiley mouth. Excellent. That's my bunny. What do you think about my super nice bunny? I think it looks amazing with our little bunny ears, our little bunny body, our little bunny head, and our lovely eyes, nose, and mouth. You can put whatever you want on the face. If you have goggly eyes, you can always stick them in here. I didn't have one, but it's okay because you can use a marker. And Of course, you can use whatever color you want for your bunny to be, so any sock and any ribbon. I hope you enjoyed and that you liked this lovely craft. I will see you in another one. Bye!